Today we're gonna draw Poppy from Trolls and Branch from Trolls. Okay, we're gonna start with the oval near the bottom of the page. It's like a potato. Okay, you need to make yours a little bit smaller to make room for her ear, okay? Look at where my oval is on my square for the shape and the position. Okay, let's make it more like a circle, more round. Okay? Take a look at my drawing. Okay, take a look over here. Okay, now we're going to draw her hair. It's going to go up into top, and then we're going to draw down here, down to her ear, and the top part goes up, open up like this. And we're going to draw her hair. Then she has some hair here on her face. Okay, so we're going to draw this line here, and we're going to draw this line here for her hair. Okay, okay, and then we're going to draw 3 flowers, one in the middle, one on the left, and then one on the right. And then we'll connect the flowers with lines so it's a hairband. Okay, and then now we're going to draw her eyes. She has 2 big circular eyes. Here we go. Now we're going to draw her nose. She has a little nose in the middle. Okay, and now you're going to draw the left side of the nose. Half a circle. And then we're going to draw the right side of the nose. Okay, and there's the middle part. It's also, and you're going to connect them. And then we're going to draw her mouth. She has a big smile. And then big smile like a banana. And then we're going to draw her eyeball here. The middle. And then we're going to add some eyelashes. She's got 3 eyelashes on each side. Okay. And then we're going to do a curve in the ear here. And then a little curve here. Okay. You can add a couple lines here. Okay. Alright, now we're going to draw a branch. Branch, you're going to start with an oval in the middle. So I'm going to do this. Okay, then we're going to connect it to his ear. Okay, so his ear is going to stick out like this. Like a hook. Okay. And then we'll draw the top of his head, like a rainbow, like a curve like this. And then we're going to draw his right ear. Take a look. Okay. And now we'll draw his hair. His hair goes up with a little curve. Okay, and then we'll draw the other side. Okay. And he has spiky hair in the middle. So we're going to do some spiky zigzag. Make sure your last one is connected, okay? Okay.
Spikes.
Okay, his eyebrow. Oh, let's draw his eyes first. So he's got half circle eyes, okay? So draw a line, and then draw a line next to it. Then we're going to do half circle underneath the line. And then the eyes in the middle is, okay, eyes in the middle. Small circle. Then we'll do a rainbow on top for his eye. Very good. And then he has 2 eyebrows. Like that. Good job. And we'll draw his nose. It's just like Poppy's nose. And then do left. Left circle. Half circle. Okay, and then right, left, half circle. Then connect it with another curve here. Good job. That's a good nose. And he's smiling, but it's a crooked smile. So we're going to start from this side, from the middle to the right only. And then we'll add a little line for his ear. And then a little bump here for his ear. Okay, now we're going to color them, okay?